Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, 8 sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. And this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see. First we will see your person current feelings. So your person current feelings towards you, Libra. Two cards. But I'm not taking, but I'm telling the Magician and Page of Pentacles. Maybe they are manifesting you, maybe they are thinking about to communicate with you. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Two cards popped out, that's why I'm not taking. If it is one, I will take. So Libra, your person current feelings towards you. Libra, your person current feelings towards you. Current feelings towards you. Person current feelings towards you. Six of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. I think your person is not talking to you right now. You both are in no contact situation. For some, you both are in separation because the Hermit is here and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. So your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. They isolated from all, undergoing some spiritual awakening. Maybe they're seeing everything in detail. Yeah, they're not talking to you right now, but they have love for you, Gemini. There is love. But right now your person not want to communicate with you and they don't want to make any move, maybe because they're feeling something inside, because the spiritual awakening process, for some it is easy, for some it is too tough to handle. So maybe your person right now don't want to communicate with anybody and they only focus on their self and on their growth because they want to take their power back. Maybe they're feeling like control their self. Maybe they're feeling like needy, whatever. They want to focus on their self, focus on their growth, because the Empress, they want to stand by their power no matter what, no matter what the situations are. They are focusing on their self right now. Yeah, but they're thinking about you also, and there is love. Definitely your person loves you, but right now maybe they want some time because they want to heal their self, because maybe your person have some past hurts, because the spiritual awakening is going. Maybe they're taking their time. Right now your person concentrating on their self and working towards their higher growth, whatever I'm seeing here. And Six of Pentacles with Queen of Wands. Again, they want to stand their power and they want to invest energy on their self. And Six of Pentacles, I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person investing a lot than the other person. Maybe your person maybe invested a lot in this connection in past. Maybe they are taking break right now. This could be temporary because this is current energies. But they think, I think if you invested a lot in this connection, they are thinking about equal give and take. How to balance the things between both of you. So these are their feelings right now. They're focusing on their self, but they love you. There is love. Definitely your person, maybe your person not expressing, but they love you. There is love. So let's see their intentions towards you. So in some cases they will take action very soon. In some cases it may take some time depending upon your situation, because every situation is different from others, because this is general reading. So let's say your person intentions towards you, Libra. Your person current intentions towards you. These are the feelings, your person feelings. Let's say your person intentions towards you, Libra. Your person current intentions. Three of Swords. Knight of Wands. Nine of Cups. Two of Wands. Your person thinking about you a lot. For some, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, but they're thinking about you a lot, 24 by 7. Maybe for some, very few, you person maybe have options, or you maybe, but they're thinking about you a lot in this card, because see how they're thinking. And judgment, they are going to be make some major decisions. And let's see their intentions. Three of Swords, first card. Yeah, because the hermit with Three of Swords, they're in so much pain. Maybe your person have some past hurts, they want to heal their self. That's why they're taking break with you, because the hermit with Three of Swords, definitely they have some pain. That's why they're not talking to you. Maybe they have some past hurts, family issues. And Knight of Wands with the Lovers card, definitely they are very attracted to you. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. I think your person may be in Knight's energy. I think there is no commitment, because Knights always come and go when they want. You want commitment, but your person is very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you. I think there is no commitment. Maybe that is the issue. For some, the separation had happened between both of you. And Nine of Cups, they're wishing for something. Maybe they, under the deck, Two of Wands and Judgment. So I want a clarification card for Nine of Cups is here, because what they are wishing. Clarification card for Nine of Cups. Yeah, so yeah, they want partnership with you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. They're heartbroken. They're wishing. Yeah, they're wishing. Just they're wishing. Three of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. They want your partnership, but right now, to be frank, there is no proper action towards you, proper intention towards you. They're just wishing, they're just missing, because right now your person is so much pain. So first they are thinking that they have to heal their self first. They want to invest energy on their self first, then definitely after healing, they wishing for you. They will make a move towards you. It will take some time. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, right now they are investing energy on their self. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, especially Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Gemini and Virgo. So let's see the outcome of current situation from the universe. Libra. Yeah, the Tower and Page of Pentacles. Maybe your person immature. And Two of Pentacles, yeah, they're indecisive right now. They're juggling because they're in so much pain. And the Tower, right now your person undergoing so much issues, maybe pain. They're literally heartbroken. Three of Swords energy and the Tower, they're undergoing some Tower moment also. So yeah, but you can expect some message after some time, not immediate, because right now your person in so much pain. They're undergoing some Tower moment, but Page of Pentacles is here, but they're thinking about to communicate with you. Again the Tower, I saw the bottom of the deck. Maybe you are manifesting this person into your life. You want to manifest again. Yeah, you have so much love for this person. Page of Cups, yes, some communication. They really want to apologize to you. Maybe they ghosted you suddenly. Maybe some issues happened, they disappear suddenly, but they're coming back with an apology. For some, there are some children also involved in this connection. I think you feeling that Libra, you both are spiritually connected. Maybe you are manifesting them again into your life, because you have so much love. Definitely some, I think you both have love for each other, but it will take some time. And this is a spiritual connection and spiritual bond. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune under the deck. I think in divine timing plays key role in this connection. Yeah, they will message you, but after, once their healing completed, they will message you. Right now your person undergoing so much, they're going through. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Libra. You and your loved ones are safe. Conclusions are within reach. Expect powerful change. Wow. So you and your loved ones are safe. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you're living in different states, long distance relationship, but don't worry, you and your loved ones are safe and conclusions are within reach. So some conclusions are coming and expect powerful changes. So some powerful changes are coming. Maybe some positive change are coming towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.